Natural Remedies for Cold Sores. Welcome back to Best Life Channel, your go-to source for health and treatment tips. Today, we're discussing a common yet uncomfortable issue: cold sores. These pesky blisters can be painful and embarrassing, but there are natural remedies that can help alleviate symptoms and speed up healing. Let's explore some effective home treatments for cold sores. Number 1. Lysine. Lysine is an essential amino acid that may help inhibit the growth of the herpes virus, which causes cold sores. Taking lysine supplements or increasing your intake of lysine-rich foods, such as dairy products, fish, and legumes, can potentially reduce the frequency and severity of outbreaks. Consider incorporating more of these foods into your diet. Number 2. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties and can provide relief from cold sores. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly to the affected area to reduce redness and speed up the healing process. Its anti-inflammatory properties may also help alleviate discomfort associated with cold sores. Number 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antiviral and antiseptic properties that can help reduce the severity of cold sores. Dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and apply it to the affected area using a cotton swab. This natural remedy can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Number 4. Honey. Honey, particularly Manuka honey, has antibacterial and antiviral properties that can be beneficial for cold sores. Apply a thin layer of honey directly to the sore to help soothe irritation and speed up healing. Its natural humectant properties can also keep the area moisturized, preventing cracking. Number 5. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil has antiviral properties and can provide a cooling effect on the skin. Dilute peppermint oil with a carrier oil and apply it to the cold sore to help reduce pain and inflammation. Be cautious not to use it undiluted, as it can cause skin irritation. Number 6. Cold compress. Applying a cold compress to the affected area can help reduce swelling and discomfort associated with cold sores. Wrap ice or a cold pack in a cloth and apply it to the sore for 10 to 15 minutes at a time. This can provide immediate relief and help alleviate pain. Number 7. Lemon balm. Lemon balm, a member of the mint family, has been shown to have antiviral properties that can help reduce the duration and severity of cold sores. You can apply lemon balm ointment or cream to the affected area, or drink lemon balm tea to help support your body's healing process. Number 8. Zinc. Zinc is a vital mineral that supports immune function and can aid in the healing of cold sores. Taking zinc supplements or applying zinc oxide ointment to the cold sore can help reduce healing time. Incorporate zinc-rich foods like nuts, seeds, and whole grains into your diet to support your immune system. Cold sores can be uncomfortable, but these natural remedies can help soothe symptoms and promote healing. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have persistent issues or if your cold sores worsen. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit. Do you have any favorite remedies for cold sores? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Best Life Channel.